Good morning, students. Myself, Varsha Dekekar. I will be taking your subject GK, General Knowledge. So, this is the front page of your book. The name of the book is GK Plus Explore the World with Us. Publisher's name is Pine World. So, there are many GK practice worksheets what you will be solving. So, looking at the contents, first topic is My India. So, among this, I will be taking the first subtopic Women Freedom Fighters, that is page number 3. So, the planning of completing the syllabus in the month of April was My India. So, now we will be doing it. Those who have books can proceed with me, or the students which I will be getting, those who will be getting the books later on can do it later after watching this video. Now, first chapter is first subtopic of My India is Women Freedom Fighters. So, here you can see the pictures of women freedom fighters. So, along with the picture, number and name, whatever they have contributed towards India, that it is given, and the answers it is given below in the help box. So you have to identify and write the answer. So Indian freedom women fighters with their contribution made the Indian freedom struggle successful, memorable and inspirational. Identify these pictures by their given description. So here first one anyone can recognize, that is Rani Lakshmi Bai. So she was the queen of Maratha, ruled state of Jhansi. She was the first prominent woman freedom fighter who participated in the first freedom rebellion of 1857 against British. So first is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Second picture, the description about the picture is she was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and thus played an active role in Gandhiji's Satyagraha movement. She was a lawyer, a social activist, and politician. Post independence, she became a Lok Sabha member and also the member of the Planning Commission of India. So she is Durgabai Deshmukh. Now, third picture is she is known as the Nightingale of India. She had contributed towards freedom struggle by joining politics during the awake of partition of Bengal in 1905. She was the second woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. So she is Sarojini Naidu. Fourth, she was a British socialist and a great supporter of Indian self-rule. She joined the Indian National Congress and gave it a new direction. So she started All India Home Rule League with Lokmanya Tilak. Her active participation in politics gave way to Indians to gain independence. So fourth picture, the freedom fighter is Annie Besant. Now fifth one, a very great contribution to her credit is the organization of Congress Radio, also known as Secret Congress Radio, which has an undergone radio station active for few months during the Quit India movement. Due to this clandestine activity, she was imprisoned in Yerwada jail of Pune. She was also a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and a freedom fighter. So she is Usha Mehta. Now, sixth one, she was a freedom fighter and worked closely with Mahatma Gandhi during partition riots in India. She also played a major role in politics by joining Indian National Congress. So, sixth picture is of Sucheta Kriplani. So, this completes your subtopic Women Freedom Fighters. Now, second is Vibrant Gujarat, page number 18. So, we will go to page number 18. So, page number 18, it is a Vibrant Gujarat. Where is Gujarat situated? Gujarat is a state in the western part of India. It is bordered by Rajasthan to the north, Maharashtra to the south, Madhya Pradesh into the east, and the Arabian Sea as well as Pakistan provides of coast of Sindh in the west. So you can see these are the famous places of Gujarat. First is here in the rightmost is the Statue of Unity, as we all know, that is measuring 182 meters, located on the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Narmada district. It is the tallest statue in the world. Now here are the some of the places. Alang Ship Recycling Yard, Bhavnagar is the world's largest ship breaking yard. Second is Lothal, one of the Asian Indus Valley civilization. Third is IIM Ahmedabad, as you know, it is ranks the best in India and among the best management universities. Then is Gir Forest National Park, is the only home of Asiatic lions. Then is GIFT towers are the two tallest buildings in Ahmedabad city. Then is India's only liquid chemical port terminal is in Dahej. So Dahej, it is near to Bharuch. And there to the right you can see some handicrafts and cuisines, that is fafda, dhokla, jalebi, khakra, everything. And who are the famous personalities? Famous personality from Gujarat are Mahatma Gandhi. He led the Indian independence movement and made India free from the British rule. Second is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, united India and India's first deputy prime minister and home minister. Vikram Sarabhai, father of the Indian space program. Then you know Narendra Modi, India's prolific prime minister and a great leader. Jamshedji Tata, regarded as father of Indian industry, and he is the founder of Tata Group. Dhirubhai Ambani, founder of Reliance Industries. Azim Premji, chairman of the Wipro Limited, India's leading IT company. So this all are the famous personalities of Gujarat. Now celebrations you have Bhavai, a local folk theatre. Makar Sankranti, Uttarayan, we call it a kite flying festival. Ras Garba, folk dance, and Dandiya Ras. So Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat set a record. Now some of the they have also in some of the sectors Gujarat have set a record. In for the Guinness World Record is Jamnagar refinery is the world's largest oil refinery with the capacity of 1.24 million barrels per day. So this refinery complex is located in Jamnagar. Second is the most cut diamond set into one ring is 6,690, which is achieved by Vishal Agrawal and Khushbu Agrawal in Surat. It was verified on 9th May 2018. The ring had a flower design consisting of 36 individual petals. Then Guinness World Record was also set. The most people performing a headstand is 2,945 and was achieved at an event organized by Gyanjot Vidyalaya and others in Gujarat. All participants held the pose for a minimum of 50 seconds in order to set the record. In Vadodara, close to 48,000 participants played Garba during Navratri festival in October 2015 to earn this record. and some of the main points or these are the achievements, you can say, achieved by Gujarat. They have set a Guinness record too. So Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat. It is one of the planned cities in India and the greenest capital city in Asia. Sabarmati is the largest river and Narmada is the longest river. Government of Gujarat has banned alcohol since 1960. Gujarat is the only state to have a state-wise gas grid of 2,200 kilometer. Nearly 100 of Gujarat's 18,000 villages have electric connection for 24 hours through Jyotigram Yojana. Then telecommunication network is the largest IP-based ICT work and second largest in the world. It has the longest mainland coastline in India, and Amul, that is Asia's biggest milk dairy and India's largest producer of milk. So these are the some key points related to Gujarat. Now is quiz time. Choose the correct option. The Ahmedabad city was founded by Ahmad I in the year, so this will be 1411 for A. Now second, in which year the capital of Gujarat shifted from Ahmedabad to Gandhinagar, so that is C, 1970. 3. The total number of districts in Gujarat, that is B, 33. 4. Gujarat is the largest producer of dash, that is salt. 5th, which city is known as the Diamond City of India, that is B, Surat. 6th, which one is the largest national park in India, in Gujarat, that we know, that is Gir Forest National Park. 7th, in which year the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam was started, that is C, 1987. On which river the Sardar Sarovar Dam is built, so that everybody know, that is the Narmada river. So today I am completing only 2 subtopics of My India. In next lecture I will be increasing the topics. Yes, with this you have to complete your GK book also, worksheet also. Okay, thank you.